What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just want to say thank you for everybody who's been watching my other videos, everybody who just recently subscribed. Man, I really appreciate that. Please, just if you haven't subscribed yet, please go down below, like, subscribe, and tell all your friends to do the same, and I appreciate that. Today we're going to be doing my bash bar. Alright guys, so this is the car that has the beams in it. Some of you guys have asked what's been going on with it. It's there, just sitting there, nothing really. It's in the same state it was before I stopped filming the mod on YouTube, and all these amazing stickers here. Oh yeah, thanks to everybody who has purchased these stickers here. We're going to work on this JDM bumper conversion today. So I've been super busy the past 4 days helping my parents expand their driveway so they can fit a couple more cars. My brother and I, we pulled all the trees out, pulled all the bushes out, leveled it out, laid all the blocks, and that's all I've been doing for the past 4 days. My body is super sore, but I'm committed to this channel this year, and so today is the day I'm going to do my bash bar, and that's my bumper right there. So let's get started. This right here is the JDM Zinky bumper. All of y'all saw it, most of y'all saw it on my Instagram, and I was holding it in my last cover photo. But this is the steel plate I purchased to make the bracket that sits here. It'll be an L bracket here with the 2 holes. This is the tubing, the steel tubing that I purchased from the steel place. This will be the pipe bender, the tubing bender, right here if you can't see it. And I'm going to lay it out on a piece of paper first and show you guys the idea, and we'll go from there. It is cold today. See if you guys can see my breath. But look at all this condensation. Poor Corolla's out in the elements. It's freezing. Let's see. So it is forecasted to be 65 degrees at its highest and 42 at its lowest. Right now it's currently 42 degrees, which for us in Southern California is friggin' cold. I'm not used to this, man. I'm freaking freezing. I'm still in shorts. You can see, like, shorts, but I swear I have as many shorts as I do pants. But we gotta keep on trucking. We're gonna get this done today. Today is the day. I'm gonna commit everything for today, just to get it done today, because tomorrow we're gonna go film for my brother's channel, and so he's gonna be prepping all day today as well. I'll link his channel in the description below, so you guys can go ahead and subscribe to him as well, because he's gonna be doing really cool things with the Southern California and the California roads here, and you're gonna really want to see those. What else? We're gonna be possibly putting this car back together. This. So maybe my other brother will take this up to the mountains too. It's forecasted to rain this weekend on Saturday, tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes, but the idea is that we're gonna drive all 3 of our cars up there and then record some video. I'll get some content for my channel, he'll get some content for his. Sparkle. So, okay, let's go. Alright, so a little bit later in the day, I will show you guys my little drawing in a little bit here. And so this is the front of the Corolla. You can see I have a SR5 USDM front bumper. The reason why this is on there, a lot of people ask me why I swapped out my GTS bumper. It was because I bought this as a shell. I never had a bumper, and so I built this shell up to how it is now running. And so the bumpers were gone. I had SR5 bumpers in the back from my many years of Corolla keeping, I guess you can call it that. And yeah, I just threw it on there, and I think it looks alright. It looks like a Zinky bumper, you know? So I never had an issue with that. The only thing is that it's kind of low. I always have to fix this. So we're gonna take all of this apart right here. Okay, so this is the drawing. This is the top right here, top view. So this point right here to here is the front of the bar. This is the back. We're looking at this piece right here to this part right here. This is going to be the measurement here and here. And then we look at the side view. We're going to need the distance between this, the front of the bar to the end of the side piece, and then the top of the bar to the bottom of the bracket. And then the front view, we need to know how long it is total. And then these measurements from this hole to this hole. And this is just the top of the bumper. It has to, this piece right here has to come right up to here, and this piece and this one right here has to come right up to here. So we're gonna have to measure all of that. It has to sit within this channel here. It has to sit in this channel under the brackets, under the lights right here. See this groove right here? So we're gonna do that measurement, and then we're gonna take my bumper apart. What you doing?
Trying to fix the holes that's leaking here. What's up, everybody? I got a lot of cooling lines that I deleted and they're leaking. Can't really see it. So I drained my fluid. Getting ready to do my first video tomorrow, guys. So stay tuned. You guys might see my channel. Lon can leak my channel into his comments.
What's it called?
Mad Dog Garage.
Mad Dog Garage. What's your Instagram?
My Instagram is humongous.
Humongous.
Or Mad Dog Garage.
Mad Dog Garage.
Same thing. And then we're also going to paint my exhaust black because it's a new California. Lost. My exhaust's not too loud, but then if you look right here, it's kind of big. And hopefully the black will help keep it hidden.
Yeah, the cops are freaking crazy right now.
Stay tuned later for this. I still gotta fix the first issue first, and then we'll pop it out, and then you guys will see.
Are you gonna swap that out or what?
Swap it out.
The exhaust muffler? The muffler?
No, I'm not going to. I don't have money, so I'm just gonna paint it black.
Just paint it black.
Yeah.
And it's under what, 95 anyways, right? 95 decibels.
I don't know. I use the app, and it's not really that accurate. So.
Well, you know, if the cops want to get you, they're gonna get you.
Yep.
Where are we gonna go tomorrow?
We're going to Idlewild.
Idlewild?
You guys haven't heard about that. The mountain's called Black Mountain, and it's a pretty cool road. So we're gonna be featuring that road tomorrow. So.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Yep.
Gonna get my car done. I want to get my Zinky bumper done. We just did this bash bar right here. I mean, it might give you more access to it.
Yeah, it'd probably be faster if I just do that too than trying to do it for like 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, take all this off and then just take the R body off. It might be easier.
Damn, this is like 20-minute job, 2 hours.
Dude, it's always like that, man. So, I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel. These designs are all the same, just the actual bash bar, support plate, and then support bars. Just gonna get that done. It's not as easy as I thought. I mean, I didn't think it was easy, but it's going pretty smoothly. We got it bent out pretty nice. You see the bend right there? We just use this thing right here. One of our buddies gave this to us for free. Hydraulic pipe bender from Harbor Freight. Not bad, not bad. There it is, in all its sad glory. Someday, one day, we'll get it done for you guys. I'm driving this thing. Right, it's cutting time. Let's do this. I'm actually cutting this one. This one out there. You don't want to.
You can come before what I'm gonna do right now, too.
What? Oh yeah.
What's up, Joyce?
Let me bend this shit. What the? You had it. We'll be right back. Alright, so finding the angle of this little vise here. And center it to 0. That looks good. Tighten it down here. Take this off. Put this in here. I already did this one. Not bad. Okay. I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, so try to find 90. It's not exactly at 90 yet. Still not at 90. Close enough. Okay. I'm gonna smack it. Tighten this up. And then pound it this way. I want to save you from all the noise. Hold on. And there it is. Bent. That's good. Take it off the vise. These two pieces. I'm gonna walk over to the car. These will be the mounting points for the bash bar. Like so. Booyah. This is 2 inches from here to here, 2 inches from here to here. If any of you guys want to know that. And then boom. There it is right there. That's where it's gonna mount to. Sorry. Getting kinda cold around here. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Okay. I'll be back. Alright guys, so quick update. That's why that California exhaust law happened. Well, anyways, I have my bar all set up right here. Yep, you heard that? You heard that? So then I have the legs here, which will do this. That should be fine, and it should angle up like that, and then I'll cut notches into here, into right here, and round this corner off, and I should be able to weld it. I'm not really confident in my skills yet, but it's taken me all day, so see how it goes. Right now I'm about to round out the edges with a grinder because I don't actually have like a jig with a hole saw that I can use, because that'd be perfect. If I had like a jig with a little hole saw, I'll just round out with that, but I don't, so we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so it's been a long day. Not quite a fail, but I just didn't want to keep going and have it not sit right, so I have to do a bunch of measurements. So we'll have to continue this next time, but thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just feel free to comment it down below and I'll get back to basically all of you guys. And I just want to thank everybody who made it to the end, and have a good night.